What is it, January 3rd, I believe? There's the computer table. There's the little TV. It's in the house. Saturday morning. It's either January 3rd or January 4th. Okay, I just checked. It's January 4th. Saturday, January 4th, 2003. Look, there's the sunrise. Wow, that's pretty, isn't it? Sun's coming up. Okay. Come on, kitty. Are you coming out in the woods with me, kitty? This is really not good. But look, it's beautiful out. I'll tell you that. It's gorgeous out. I mean, but it's really deep. There's a guy snow blowing. Let's get the guy neighbor next down the road snow blowing. If you couldn't see the guy, it looks like a snowman taking a piss. It's just flying out of the end, see? I know, it's very funny, but it's not, right? Okay. Look at my stalag, whatever they are. Look, here's... Take a look at this shit. You won't believe it. Look at it hanging down. Look at that. I mean, is that some shit? And down in Baltimore, they got rain. Yay. Not up here. We didn't get any rain. Look at that snow all over my roof, man. There's my view out of my window. It's nuts, isn't it? There's the sun. Okay, I'm walking in 1.5 feet of snow at least. There's a cat barely can get around and stuff. There's a puppy can barely get around. Cat just said, I'm going, come on, kitty. You coming, kitty? Come on. Cat's like, oh, man, it's pretty deep. The dog will. Look, the doggy's like, ready. This dog loves it out here. You gonna clear the path or am I, doggy? I guess doggy's gonna clear it. Kitty's, look, kitty's just following me right behind. This is where I call babies at. This is where I call Tammy's at, back here. Look at all this. It's nuts. It's so deep back here. Everything's white, covered with snow. It's been snowing for 4 days. On and off. So it's like, you know, turn off the snow machine, please. Just turn the damn thing off. Too much already. Look, it's like limbs are all coming down and everything. Is there a kitty back there? Kitty? Oh, I'll be there in a few minutes, for crying out loud. You coming, kitty? I'll give you a lift back, don't worry. I'll carry kitty back, because kitty has a hard time. The snow is taller than kitty. She can't get back here. I can't believe this camera works though. Somehow I fixed it, pressed a couple buttons, and we discharged some stuff or whatever and got it working. It's good because it's a $400-something camera. Oh, I think kitty took a break. My God, look how deep the snow is out here. I mean, this is crazy. All this to make a phone call. Ridiculous. This is my mountains. I hear a dog behind me. Jeez, look, there's the chair. I cleared that off yesterday. Zoom in on here. Okay, we're gonna pause for a little bit. We're gonna say hi to Kitty. Come here, Kitty. Say hi to the camera, please. Kitty, kitty, come here, kitty. The dog's gonna try to tease the cat, I know it. Come on, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty. Here, get out of the snow. Get out of the snow. Here. There you go. How you doing, kitty? Uh-oh. That cat does not want that dog to tease it. Okay, I'm going to make you back. Okay, say goodbye, kitty. Come on, kitty, hurry up. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to the audience, please. It's cold. Oh, kitty cat. Okay. This darn thing is doing that Zoom stuff again. Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the house, kitty. You ready? Okay, I think kitty's ready. Go back to the house. It's very cold out here. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty, come on. Come on, kitty. I know the chair is nice, but you gotta come on. Come on, kitty. I'm leaving. I'm going. Okay, kitties is coming. This is crazy. This is nuts. I called my job and there's no snow at all down there. Streets are bare, he said. So they probably think that I'm full of it. Even though I'm not, because as you can see, there's snow everywhere. Here I am, going through the snow. He said I had 7 modems and a digital, meaning that's a $200 and something route right there, sitting at that place for me to do today. I could make $200 and something. Holy cow. That's a $250 route that's just waiting for me to do. 250 smackers right up front. Holy Toledo. And I gotta be stuck here. It's like 13 degrees. This is nuts. Come on. Here comes the dog too. Look, here comes Doggy. Uh-oh. Dog meets kitty. Get it, puppy. Get it, puppy. Get the kitty. Get the kitty. Get kitties. Poor kitties. Poor kitties. It's cold. It's too cold. My fingers are freezing everything. I can't stand out here and talk on the cell phone like I did the other day. Screw that. I need another job is what I need. Because I gotta get a job where I can work at home. And by the way, if you wonder who the hell I'm talking to you. You in the videotape. That's who I'm talking to. Saying that I need different employment opportunities. Because this is ridiculous. This focus thing is where again. This camera has a focus issue. See? Okay, I want to sweep the point off real quick. Bitter cold out here.